Okay, good day everybody, this is Cindy. So today we want to make a scrub, and our base is going to be white sugar, granulated white sugar. Are you seeing it? So it's going to be very simple, something that you can use by yourself and it's going to work for you. So we introduce our ingredient. No need of introducing our ingredient, we just go straight to the point so it will be easier for everybody. Now this is shea butter. We are supposed to melt it, but I prefer to put it like this. Put the shea butter in it. Then this is honey. So we are going to be pouring the honey in it. Are you seeing that it's original and it's very thick? Even as I'm turning it upside down, you have to press it before it comes out. Yeah. So you are going to be putting, like, let's say 150 ml of honey. This is a 1 kg sugar, which is our base. Then the next thing we are going to be putting is our Vit Gold vitamin C oil. We are going to be adding 100 ml of Vit Gold vitamin C oil. This is our lactic acid. We'll be adding 30 ml of our lactic acid, 30 ml of the cleanser into it. This is labijanis oil. We'll be adding 10 ml of labijanis oil, and we have propylene glycol. We'll be adding 15 ml of propylene glycol. So that is that for our oils. Then let's go to our powders. This is turmeric powder. We'll be adding this is 1 tablespoon. Then let's see, half tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder. This is our moringa powder. We'll be adding 1.5 tablespoon of moringa powder. Okay, let's just call it 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. And this is our neem powder. We'll be adding still the same 1.5 tablespoon of neem powder. This is our kojic dip. We'll be adding half tablespoon of our kojic dip. So we just, it has worked on. Thank you for watching.